I have a really fun and interesting winter makeup look for you guys. This is a really nice tutorial if you have acne prone skin like me, and also it's perfect for any winter event. So if you'd like to know how I create this makeup look, first do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and also share this video with your friends. So let's just get started with this video. So for a really nice hydrated and glowy base, I will first apply a really nice layer of serum on my face and make sure that the serum suits your skin type and it's really hydrating and nourishing for your face. After serum, I'll be using a really nice primer. This is the e.l.f. Poreless Primer. It is really good for dry skin because it's hydrating and it gives a really nice finish to my skin. So you can see how it looks on my skin. So this product acts like a really nice nourishing balm and it will even out the areas where you have uneven texture and it glides your makeup smoothly after you apply it. So for foundation, I've mixed in two of my favorites, that is the Perk HD foundation and also the Maybelline Superstay foundation. So all the links of the products will be mentioned below, so do not forget to check that out as well. So after you're done with powdering your face, we will move on to contouring, and for that I have this 3-in-1 product. This is the My Glam Chisel It palette. It has a contouring shade and a blush along with a highlighter. So this is a really nice 3-in-1 product and it's really good for traveling as it has a mirror as well. So I'll use this palette. It comes in really handy and the price is also really good since you get 3 products for 1250, but there's always offers and sales going on, so you can check out the links below. So now I will be applying some blush and highlighter to my face. This will not only add some light, but it will also make my face look really healthy. So for the eye makeup today, I will be using this Manish Malhotra palette. This is a 9 eyeshadow palette. The shade is Soiree and it has a really nice collection of neutral eyeshadows. So if you're someone who's looking for neutral eyeshadows that are highly pigmented, and also these are really good if you want to do your makeup for parties as well, so you should definitely check out this palette. So first what we'll do is that we'll apply a dark shade on the crease area and blend it evenly. So now since our eyeshadow look is done, we'll move on to mascara, and for that I have the My Glam Manish Malhotra Beauty Mascara. This is the shade Dark Night, and the wand is really unique. It's like a conical wand, and it's really good if you want lengthened lashes because it just reaches to the bottom of your lashes and it makes your mascara apply really smoothly. So just a quick tip before mascara, always take out the excess mascara on the wand and then start by applying the product. Just wiggle your way through. So after we're done with mascara, I will add a translucent powder all over my face to seal everything in. So for the final step, I'll be adding a nude lipstick. This is my favorite shade from the Manish Malhotra lipstick range. It's a really nice creamy formula which is perfect for winters. Shade name is Barely Nude, and I'll be applying it. Because we tend to have drier lips in the winter months, make sure your lips are extremely exfoliated, and also you have a lip balm underneath. Just take this lipstick and apply it.